Hi everyone, welcome to Ljubljana and to the Faculty of Arts. Here's a short video that will walk you through the key things you need to arrange for a smooth start to your studies here. At registration, you'll receive your student identity card and your letter of acceptance. Very soon, you'll also get your IMSO. That's your Slovenian personal registration number. You'll get this number by email. This number is essential for many things: official paperwork, your student meal coupons, and bus pass. Getting around Ljubljana is easiest with the Urbana card. It's a rechargeable smart card for buses and other city services. You can also pay for bus rides with a regular bank card, but you won't get the discounted student price with this payment method. One of the best parts of student life here is študentski boni. Discounted meal coupons you can use at restaurants all over the city. You register for them at the student service office using your IMSO and student ID. Then you can order meals via an app or by phone, paying just a small part of the price. This is the app you use to redeem your coupons, and it also shows you a list of all the restaurants that accept študentski boni. Now, let's move on to some important bureaucracy, the official steps you need to complete to get fully settled as a student here. You'll receive your University of Ljubljana digital identity by email. This lets you log into the VIS student information system, where you can see your timetable, courses, and grades, and access the EduRoam Wi-Fi network. For any problems, the international office and your tutors are here to help, whether it's study-related or just getting used to life in Ljubljana. So remember, IMSO, Urbana card, študentski boni, VIS digital identity, and your departmental registration are your keys to a smooth student life here. Welcome to Ljubljana and have a fantastic exchange experience.